Hello, hello, hello. Hey y'all. It's your girl. And I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so I'm hungry. It's breakfast time. Y'all know I don't do breakfast often. But this morning, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and say, ew. Look what we have, you guys. I hope it's focusing well. Mickey D's breakfast sandwich. Let's dig in. Mmm. 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 Y'all know what? I ain't gonna front. Look. I was having a few bites before I start filming. Mm-hmm. Mm. I got cord, y'all. Nolo. Mm-hmm. I am not guilty, but I am not innocent until proven guilty. You know what I'm saying? I don't see no cameras showing or backing up the state's word against mine. They're gonna have to reduce it or something though, huh? So that's the reason I'm having breakfast. Y'all know you can go without eating breakfast whenever you want to. If you don't feel like eating, you don't gotta eat. But for some reason, when you get to like court, the doctor's office, or some type of appointment, don't you always get hungry? I always get hungry waiting. Not today. I had to think smart. Oh, that was good. My shirt look a little see-through. It is, ain't it? Mm-hmm. My bad, y'all. I forgot how good these were. I don't eat them often. I'm gonna try to go in there. Talk them down. And pay it. I don't need nothing hanging over my head. How much you got 30 days? No, sir. I'm gonna go on down and pay this now. After you reduce it. Because that's the reason I came to... Y'all! I am done. Did y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Babe, that was real slime. Should I edit that out? Oh my God, y'all. Bitch, don't tell nobody that. Okay, that's between me and you. Mm-hmm. Oh, that was funny. I'm over here trying to slurp up slime. Woo! You guys, y'all know me. I'm getting full. Y'all don't tell nobody that. Alright, I got a 21-minute commute to court. And then I'm going to have probably like 20-25 minutes of sitting around for this. That's right. Georgia. Y'all trying to get me. Trying to make me lose points on my license, ain't you? That's what you're doing. Mm-hmm. You're trying. But it ain't gonna work. Okay, y'all. I'm finna get on out of here. Peace. I love you guys. Don't y'all tell nobody about that slide episode. That's between us. Okay? Love you guys.